Hey there, car lovers. It's your Karma guy here with an exclusive find you won't want to miss, a rare blush edition with only 60,000 miles and a clean Carfax. This beauty comes with a dealer service history and recent service valued at over $715, which includes two new tires and a thorough pre-delivery inspection, along with current Georgia state emissions. As a dealer certified pre-owned vehicle, it's backed by our Quality Plus warranty for 3 months or 3,000 miles. And that's not all. When you purchase today, you can grab a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price in addition to the advertised price. Plus, don't forget to ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade option at the time of sale. We want you to drive off with total confidence. And as always, we encourage a pre-purchase inspection. We believe in transparency so you can feel great about your decision. So why wait? Come check out this rare gem today.